Hello everyone and welcome to Reception. This is Rishi. Now you may remember from the previous week, specifically on the 10th of April, a notice was released by the council. The notice was regarding the initiative of the council of online live classes via the medium of television. Now I liked the initiative a lot and I asked each and every one of you to go and attend those live sessions. But the live sessions were held in the language Bengali. Now, if the council has asked each and every one of its students to watch the live sessions, then I think the live sessions should have been held in the language English. But what's in the past is in the past. The council has continued with its initiative and it has released many new notices on its website regarding online live classes. Let's check them out. First, we have over here dated 16th April, Council's initiative to conduct live lessons on ABP Anando for classes 9 to 12. Now, the date may be 16th April, but the notice was released today. That means on 17th of April. Let's check it out. Council's effort to continue with its initiative on ABP Anando by conducting live lessons for classes 9 to 12. This is further to the Council's letter dated 10th April 2020 informing you of our initiative to start the teaching of certain subjects through the medium of television in partnership with ABP Anando. The response last week to our efforts was overwhelming and very positive. Now I will contradict this word very positive because the classes were held in the language Bengali. Now the students who know Bengali, it was very good for them. But majority of the students don't know the language Bengali. So I think the classes should have been held in the language English. Next, once again the council is pleased to announce that we have taken this initiative further with plans to conduct live lessons on television. A detailed schedule of the subjects, class level and dates have been given in the chart below. And as you can see, we have a routine like looking chart over here that describes what classes will be held when. Now majority of the classes are classes for English. As you can see, English Literature ISC, English Language ICSC, English Language ISC, English Literature ICSC, and we have two classes for mathematics, one for class 12 and one for class 10. But the mathematics class will be held later, that is on 2nd May and 3rd May. So basically for tomorrow and day after tomorrow we have English Literature for class 12 and English Language for class 10. What I'll do is I will link this notice in the description box below so you can check the notice out. Next, you are requested to please disseminate this information to all your students, parents and teachers so that they may participate and gain from this council's endeavor. The programs may also be viewed in the links mentioned below and you have all the links over here. I look forward to your continued support and encouragement in this initiative signed by Jerry Arathun. So this is the notice. As I told you, I'll link this notice in the description box below. You can check it out. Other than this, two new notices have been released. Let's check them out. We have Council's initiative to conduct live lessons on News 18 Bangla for classes 3 to 8. Let's check it out. So the telecast of lessons for subjects English and mathematics for the junior and middle school students of council affiliated schools on News 18 Bangla channel, and you have the complete notice. So what I'll do is I'll also link this notice in the description box below. If you want to check it out, you can go and check it out. Finally, we have another notice, the notice regarding Fit India live session for school going children. Let's check it out. So Fit India live sessions for our school going children. While the council has taken steps to ensure some continued academic activity during the extended lockdown period through its initiatives of online teaching, through its collaboration with ABP Anando and News 18 television channel, it is equally concerned about the physical well-being of students due to lack of physical activities. Now all the information is given. What I'll do is I'll link this notice also in the description box below. You can check it out. Now regarding this notice, I'd like to tell you a few things. First of all, guys, physical fitness is very important. Don't be lethargic. Do any exercise that's possible in your home. Do sit-ups, do pull-ups, do push-ups, any exercise which is possible, and try to walk at least 5,000 steps regularly inside your house. because staying fit is very, very important. Especially in these conditions, staying fit is very important because fitness is the key to health. So guys, exercise, walk a lot inside your house and try to stay as fit as possible. Okay, so I like this initiative also a lot. So guys, what I'll do is, as I told you, I'll link all the notices in the description box below. You can check all the notices. And if you want, you can go and attend those live sessions. Okay. Now guys, I'll take your leave. Goodbye. Take care and stay as healthy as possible.